Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can check your KJC results in 2025. So there's actually three methods that you can do that. First is by the online or the official KNEC portal. So this is the main way to view your individual KJC result and performance details. So first you just have to open the official KJC results website, which is this one. I'm just going to put it on the screen. And you have to enter your assessment number in here. You also have to type one of the learner's registered names as used when you registered for the exam. Now, you just have to accept the privacy or the consent notice if prompted, and then submit to see your results, including your performance band and pathway details. So the results show how you performed and also your senior school placement recommendations. Now, for the method number two is via SMS. So this is by mobile. So if you don't have a reliable internet, you can get results on place or placement details using SMS. So you just have to open the messaging application on your phone, type your assessment number, and send it to 22263. So the SMS reply costs around KSH 30. So, and returns your result or the placement data. So you just have to make sure that your phone has enough airtime before sending the message, and you also have to use the exact assessment number to avoid errors. Lastly is through your school. So schools also have access to KJC results and can provide a printed result slip, guidance on what your performance means, and also the support in understanding your senior school pathway choices. So if you're having trouble of the online or the SMS, you can visit your school or you can contact your school. This is the most reliable alternative for people. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.